Now let us discuss question number 6. In question number 6 it is given that Rita goes 20 km towards east. Now we know that how we can represent direction on a paper. See, this is the north direction, opposite to that it is south, and then here it is east and here it is west. These are the directions. Okay, now as per given in the question, let us see. Rita goes 20 kilometers towards east from a point A. Suppose this is the point A, and from this point A Rita goes towards the east. So here she goes towards east up to how much? Up to 20 kilometers. So this is the point B. From A point to the B point she moves about 20 kilometers. Now look here, what is the next? From B she moves 30 kilometers towards west. Now look, as we know that exactly opposite to this east, west is there. So on the same road she is moving towards the opposite direction. Look here, 30 kilometers from point B. When she moves toward west, up to how much? Up to 30 kilometers from point B to point C, it is 30 kilometers. Okay, now listen what it is given. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer. Now as we know that a number line, suppose this is the number line. On the number line this is the initial point 0. After that all positive integers we represent on right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Here all negative numbers we represent -1, -2, -3, like that. Means here all the positive numbers and here we represent all the negative numbers. Now here as we have to represent this movement on number line, so from this point A, so point A, suppose it is origin, you can say it is 0. From this 0 when she moves towards east, so we represent positive numbers towards the east. So here this 20 kilometer is the positive integer. Now when she moves from point B towards west, so she is moving exactly opposite towards this side, this direction. So when we are saying that when she moves towards west, at that time we have to subtract this distance. Look here, it is 20, and after that when she moves again, then it is 30. Means this 30 minus 20, it is 10. So from point A to C, the distance, see here it is given final position of A, it is given where the final position of A from the last point, so it is 10. Okay, now let us write down all these things step by step. So final position of her from point A. Now look here, as we know that we represent this movement on number line. This is the A point. From A point to the B point it is 20 kilometers, and as we say that it is origin, and this is the number line. This is the number line. So on this number line from point A to point B the moment is 20 kilometers, and exactly from the point B to point C 30 kilometer moment is there. Okay, so here we have to find the final position of her from point A. So here we have to do this AB minus this BC. Now what is the distance AB? Distance AB is 20 and distance BC it is 30. So when we subtract, at that time we get minus 10. Means from point A to C we get minus 10. That much distance we get. Okay. So that's all for this question. Already we represent this whole value on number line. So here from point A to B, positive integer distance is there 20. It is the positive, and final distance from point A we get negative, means minus 10. Negative integer we get. Okay, that's all.